Okay, in this lecture, we start Sauer's projection formula. Sauer's projection formula. Sauer's. In last lecture, we finished dotted wedge formula. Now, Sauer's projection formula. It is also called Androin formula. Androin formula. Androin formula. The bond between carbon atoms in this formula, the bond between the carbon atoms is diagonally implying that it runs downwards through through the plane of paper and is slightly elongated for clarity and is slightly elongated for clarity. Second, the substituent on each of carbons, the substituents on each of the carbons are then projected onto the plane of paper making an angle of 120 degrees. Making an angle of 120 degree. And the substituents that can be presented, the substituents that can be represented as staggered or eclipsed, or eclipsed. Ethane CH3
होईल का 2022 मध्ये
CH3
नाही मला काहीतरी करायला मग काय होतं माहिती का तुमच्या शब्दावर मी असं केले 2 महिने झाले समजा 2 ते 3 महिने झाले तुमच्या शब्दावर मी चालू नव्हते मला ते सांगितलं.
H H H H. This is the Sawhorse projection formula. This is eclipsed conformation. पुढे आपण हे दोन हायड्रोजन जवळ काढू. H. This is eclipsed conformation. Eclipsed conformation. LIES. Eclipsed conformation. And next is the staggered conformation. Next is staggered conformation. H. H. And H. 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 And H. Staggered conformation. Staggered conformation. Staggered conformation. Sawhorse formula. हे फॉर्म्युल्यात काय? The bond between carbon atom is diagonally. म्हणजे असं in Sawhorse projection we draw a diagonal line. पहिल्यांदा diagonally, implying that it runs downwards through the plane of paper and is slightly elongated for clarity. म्हणजे लाईन कशी काढायची? Slightly downwards through the plane of paper. इथं आपण काढल्या का पहा downward side ला अशी दिसते ही plane. The substituents on each of the carbons are then projected on the plane of paper, making an angle of 120 degree. And substituent here hydrogen, hydrogen, and they makes angle of 120 degree to the plane of paper. And the substituents that can be represented as staggered or eclipsed conformation. A substituent kind, then like the staggered, eclipsed conformation as a manager. This is ethane molecule CH3CH3. हे दोन काय आहेत? Carbon. This is one carbon. This is second carbon. And hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now these two hydrogen atoms are very close. आहेत का हे दोन hydrogen? And this conformation is called eclipsed conformation. या conformation ला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? Eclipsed conformation. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस दोन सारखे ग्रुप किंवा बल्की ग्रुप एकाच साइडला असतील, that conformation is eclipsed. In staggered, these are away from each other. This hydrogen atom and this hydrogen atom is away from each other. It's called the staggered conformation. We see next molecule butane. Ethane मध्ये कसं आहे सगळे at all atoms are same, but in butane there are two different functional group: methyl, one methyl and second methyl, CH2, CH2 and CH3. 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 इथं काय होईल? Sawhorse projection हे पहा. Sawhorse projection, draw line slightly downwards. आहे का? Downward side ला काढली. Now draw three substituent. One. This is 2. And this is 3. On second carbon atom, 1, 2, and his carbon atom is 3. Now CH3 methyl, CH3 methyl, and H and H. Angle 120°. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is eclipsed conformation. Eclipsed conformation. Eclipsed conformation. In second, it rotates, and this CH3 group is come downwards. CH3, CH3, H, CH3, H. This is staggered conformation. Staggered conformation. Staggered conformation. Now next conformation, Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula. In this representation, the molecule is viewed along one of the carbon, along one of the carbon-carbon bond axis. Carbon-carbon bond axis. Keeping one atom in front of us. The carbon nearer to the eye, nearer to the eye is the front carbon atom, and is represented by a circle point. The other carbon, the other carbon back is exactly behind the front carbon and is represented by a circle and is represented by a circle. The three remaining bonds of the front carbon atom C1 is drawn up to the center of the circle, to the center of the circle. H This is the Shower's projection formula. It converts into Newman projection. One is the front carbon atom. Circle is back carbon atom. H H H H and this is H and H. This carbon is C1 and this carbon is C2. And this conformation is the eclipsed conformation. Eclipsed conformation. Next, staggered conformation. H H H and it should be present here. And this conformation is called the staggered conformation. Staggered conformation. staggered conformation. Newman projection, the carbon near to its front carbon atom and is represented by a circle point. म्हणजे हा जो carbon आहे near to I and carbon 1. The other carbon back is exactly behind the front carbon atom and is represented by the circle. And this circle जे दाखवलेला आहे तो काय black back carbon atom, carbon number 2. And the 3 remaining bonds of the front carbon atom is drawn up to the center of the circle. हे center पासून आपण 3 bond काढलेले. These are atoms joined to the center carbon atoms or carbon 1. And these bonds are joined to carbon number 2 or back carbon atoms. And the 3 bonds of the rear carbon are drawn up to the edge of periphery of the circles. And 3 bonds make an angle of 120 degree each to each others. This is about the Newman projection formula. Next, Fisher projection formula. Next, Fisher projection formula. Fisher projection formula. In this representation, the molecule is oriented. Molecule is oriented in such a way that the carbon chain becomes vertical. Both ends of this chain, go behind the plane. Behind the plane of the paper are shown by dotted lines. Where substituents can come above. नमस्कार मित्रा ज्योति कुमारी. हंसाले पायल पुणे. Substituents come above. The plane of paper. Are shown by thick lines. CHO dotted CH2OH. And H. H C CHO H CH2OH CH2OH. CH2OH. This is the Fisher projection formula. He जे लिहिलेला आहे तो Fisher projection. Both ends of the chain go behind the plane of paper are shown by dotted lines. Behind the plane of paper and substituents come above the plane of paper are shown by thick lines. The above the plane of papers, it should be shown by thick lines. This is the thick lines. H, then two carbon atoms, H, C, CH3, H, C, H, CH3, H, H, C, CH3, H, C, H, H,